Ahoy, adventurers! Today, Leslie and I are embarking on a culinary journey unlike any other, right here on the Discovery Princess. Welcome to 360, an extraordinary experience where dining meets innovation in a whirlwind of flavors and sights. Let's check it out.
We are gathering on Discovery Princess on Deck 5 under the stairs by International Cafe.
Yes, 360 isn't just a name, it's a promise of a dining experience that surrounds you with culinary excellence and breathtaking views. Currently, as of this recording, it's only available on Enchanted Princess and Discovery Princess. We have been fortunate to attend this event several times. In the beginning, they asked that there be no photos or video taken of the event. They asked that we didn't spoil the surprise for others who had not attended. A year later, they allowed us to record and share, but we'll hold back a little to keep some mystery in it for you.
Hey Devin, someone asked, how do we make a reservation at 360 an extraordinary experience?
Well, if you're in a suite, you'll be contacted pre-cruise to reserve your spot. Reservations are also available on the Princess app. Right now, the cost is $149 per person, and it's limited to 20 people for each sitting.
I seem to remember there are 2 of these events on each cruise evening. Do you like the word free? Well, if you are in a full suite, you receive a complimentary invitation to one sitting free cabin. Additionally, if you happen to strike up a good conversation with somebody who has the ability, they can request that you get a chance to attend without cost. I feel it's worth the cost to pay, and it's just that much sweeter when it is free.
Entering the venue, we follow a musical ensemble celebrating this event.
Oh, that was so much fun. I liked it.
Yeah, it was tons of fun watching them figure out what was happening when they were starting to play the instruments.
Yeah. Why are they playing a violin?
And then we walked in. Well, over on the Princess website, they described it like this. Join us on a culinary journey through the sights, sounds, textures, and scents of the Mediterranean. This 7-course event pairs destination-evoking dishes, wine, and champagne with surprises along the way for an adventure unlike any at sea or on land.
Reviews online come in several sources. Like Tyra Banks said, 360 was amazing. It's not just sight, beauty, and taste. I've never experienced something like that in my life. You feel so connected. It's truly an emotional experience as well. Darren McGrady, Royal Chef, said, you've blown it out of the water. This is not just about what's on the plate. It's about where it came from. It takes you there. Here, in one experience, you brought everything together. After your host and musician escort you through the dining room of Sabatini's, if you can believe it, you take your assigned seat. Your seat is important. Any dietary requirements are matched to that seat.
Well, now let's look at what happens next. This is 360, an extraordinary experience. Surprise your taste buds with a fusion of master storytelling, world-class cuisine, and visual entertainment.
Oh my God, this is amazing. Look, it's all around us.
Look at the walls. They're like almost like 3-dimensional. What's happening?
I know, and look at the tabletop.
It's moving.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you should know each of the 7 courses is tailored to the Mediterranean region and paired with a beverage to act as the ultimate flavor enhancer. We mentioned any dietary needs you might have. In a moment, we will share the details of this as well as if you have a minor attending. But it's not just about the food. 360 offers interactive dining experiences that engage and surprise. The host of the evening presents each theme, which then leads to a visual presentation. While subtle, there's also aromas of whatever is being presented on the 360-degree screen that wraps around you. In this full sensory event, you see, hear, and smell what is being presented. This is the introduction to the courses to be served. That bottle of wine there is one of the unique features of the pairing.
Oh, look, Devin, the tabletop design changed. Yes, this is fun. It, along with everything else in the room, changes to match the experience. I'll let you in on a secret. The tabletop is interactive.
As the 7th and last course is completed, you're presented with a few more surprises and feel fulfilled. It is masterfully done and a pleasure to experience.
What about minors and any dietary needs?
Oh yeah, before the event, they'll ask if you have any dietary requirements. For minors, alcoholic beverages are replaced with mocktails that are prepared specially for each course. Some in our party were pescatarians. They automatically made sure that a couple of the beef or pork dishes were substituted for equally delicious vegetarian and fish dishes. If you enjoyed this video so far, I feel you'll also find value in knowing what the VIP lounge is, or the concierge lounge, and what's the difference anyway. See this video right over here? Watch it now.
Ooh, I'm gonna go watch it. Otherwise, if you're sailing with Discovery or Enchanted Princess, make sure to book your table at 360 An Extraordinary Experience. It's more than a meal. It's an extraordinary experience that you won't want to miss. Cheers to adventures on the high seas and unforgettable dining.
Until next time, continue to explore and taste the world with OG Mojo Adventures.
Woo-hoo!